Let's talk about the right time to sell your home. Some of you live in areas where there are selling seasons. It's not hard to figure out when you consider the weather. Timing is huge, so if you have a flexible time frame, take a minute to make this decision. For those of you that are in a hurry to move, what I want you to know is that if you are listing during a more challenging time of the year, you need to adjust your price accordingly. Bad weather limits showings. Not a whole lot of people want to be out in 0 degrees to look at houses. The absolute best time to list your house is going to be in the spring. Research has shown that the best time of year to sell a home is during the first 2 weeks of May. You can expect to sell 18 days faster than any other month and for almost 6% more money. There are a few reasons for this: weather, tax return, and school registrations. If you're ready to get the most money for your home and keep the commission in your pocket, then head over to Baycom and get your home listed. You can start planning and using Baycom's tools to have your home on the market quickly, saving you thousands of dollars in commissions. You've got this, and Baycom is here to help.